In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your PayPal money on hold in just 5 minutes. Having your funds on hold can be a frustrating experience, but fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve this issue quickly and efficiently. Let's begin by heading over to the PayPal website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in paypal.com to access the homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen, easy to spot. Upon clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and fill in those details, ensuring they're correctly typed to avoid any login issues. After that, click on Login again to enter your account. Once you're logged in, the crucial step is to first understand why your money might be on hold. There are several reasons this could be happening, and knowing them will help you take the right actions. For starters, your money might be on hold if you haven't sold anything in a while. It's PayPal's way of making sure everything checks out when you make a sale after a period of inactivity. Another reason could be multiple customer complaints or if they've requested refunds. This can trigger PayPal to place funds on hold pending resolution. Additionally, if your selling pattern has changed or appears unusual, that could also be a red flag for PayPal. Selling items that are considered high risk by PayPal can also cause your funds to be held. Finally, if you've received payments for goods or services rather than personal transactions, this could be another reason for the hold. To solve the issue, navigate to the Recent Activity or Activity tab in your PayPal dashboard. Here, you need to locate the specific transaction that has funds on hold. Once found, there should be a Get Your Money button or a similar link associated with that transaction. Clicking there, you'll have the option to update the order status for your service or intangible item. Make sure to fill in any necessary details regarding the transaction accurately. After updating the order status, click Submit to finalize these changes. This action alone can help release the hold, but there's another step you can take for transactions involving physical goods. If applicable, you have the option to add tracking information. For this, you should use an approved shipping carrier and provide the tracking number. As an extra tip, you can even print shipping labels directly through PayPal and upload the tracking information. This not only expedites the release of your funds, but also helps maintain a seamless transaction process. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to tackle any PayPal money on hold issues swiftly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.